You know the feeling when something you wanted is suddenly much less than it was. And instead of feeling lucky, you feel suspicious. What is wrong with it? That feeling is the most useful thing in investing. And right now, it is pointing at Meta. Meta owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Billions of people open one of them every day. It is one of the biggest companies on Earth, and it has not been this inexpensive in 10 years. When you buy a share, you are buying a slice of the profits. For years, people paid about $32 to get $1 a year of Meta's profit. Today, that same dollar of profit costs you $20. That is the sale. So the obvious question is, what went wrong? And the answer is, nothing did. It is still one of the most profitable companies in the world. Last year, after paying for absolutely everything, it had $46 billion of spare cash left over. What changed is where the money is going. Meta is spending enormously, building the giant warehouses full of computers that artificial intelligence runs on. This year, it is spending more than half again what it spent last year. And here's the whole thing, in one sentence. That money leaves the bank now. Whether it ever turns into profit is a promise about the future. Nobody can prove it to you today, not even the people spending it. That is why it is on sale. Nobody pays full price for a promise. So the question is not really whether Meta is cheap, because it plainly is. The question is whether you think that spending works. And if that feels like a hard call, take some comfort. Of the well-known investors we follow, some bought more of it last quarter, some sold, and plenty did nothing at all. Nobody has a clean answer. They are all looking at the same two facts you are. So here's the thing I would want you to remember. Things get inexpensive for a reason, and the reason is never a nice one. If you wait until it all feels safe again, you will be paying $32, not $20. Cheap and comfortable almost never turn up at the same time. That is not a problem with investing. That is the whole job. Visit us at smartcharts.co, where we explain the stock market in plain English for people who were never given the manual. Nothing here is financial advice.